What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. We're gonna go over Wednesday's recap and Thursday's game plan. Let's go ahead and see if we got anything that'll move the markets tomorrow. We got at 8:15 ADP employment. At 8:30, we got initial jobless claims. 8:30, couple more things on there, and then one last drop at 10 a.m. Again, guys, you know how we handle data drops. We sit back, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get into the play. Let's go ahead and jump into our first ticker. Our first ticker, we're gonna do INTC. In INTC, if you are a bull, you wanna see this shelf level right here at 1950 get taken out. They can take out this shelf level here. They can run this thing up to 1965. And they break that, we have a run up to 1985 and slowly make that run up to the $20 and higher. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here at 1930 get taken out. They can take out that. I got some turbulence down at 1920. They break that. We're going to see a dip back down to 1885 level before they start trying to go lower. So let's go ahead and jump into Palantir. They're currently sitting at 3060. So if you are a bull, you want to see this level at 3085 get taken out. They can take out 3085. They're going to try to run this thing up to $31 even. They break that level right here. You got these tops over here at 3160. They break that, then you're going to start seeing 3180, 32 and higher. We'll handle in real time if it start breaking out there. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right here at 3035 get taken out. They can take out those bottoms down there. Ultimately, what you want to see is this level down here at 2930 get taken out. They can take out that. You coming down to 29 even. I got some turbulence right here at 2980. They break through that. We coming down to 2840. There's your levels there. That's for you newbies. That's for you beginners. Let's go ahead and jump into the big baller plays. We're going to go ahead and start with Nvidia. What you want to see if you are a bull, what you want to see is shelf level at 107 get taken out. We can take out 107. You're going to come back to these tops right in here at 109.50. We break that. I got some turbulence at 110.10. We break that. Next level up is going to be 111.70, and then boom, run that thing up to 114 before they start trying to test the higher stuff. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here at 105.40 get taken out. They can take out 105.40. You got this little area in here at 104.11. They break that. Boom, we coming down to 101.90 and lower. They break through there right there. Hello, back into the 90s we come. We'll handle those plays in real time once they get to those levels. The next play up is going to be QQQ. All right, guys, we're sitting at 460.60 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see 462.40 get taken out. They can take out that. You got some turbulence over here at 463.80. They break through that. You want to see this area at 464.40 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to slowly start to try to climb up this hill up here and try to land somewhere around 469, trying to make that run to 470. If you are a bear, what you want to see, you got this shelf level right here at 459.40. They break through that right there. You ultimately want to see this right here get taken out. 457.75. They can break through that. They dropping. They coming back lower. This might even be a play that I'm interested in getting into tomorrow. Man, I love the bear plays, and this looked like this could possibly be one of them, and I'm all about it. When that time comes, we'll handle it in real time. Let's go ahead and hit Tesla. In Tesla, we're sitting at 219.55. Tesla boomed it on y'all today, and then they came right back down. Tesla good for these kind of moves. They will burn you if you wrong. That's why you try to get in, get out, take your profit. That way you're not sitting in it, you're not overstaying your welcome, and ultimately you're not giving Wall Street back your money or your profits. So if you are a bull with Tesla, I have a level right up here at 220.70. They can break through that right there. You got some turbulence in here, but they got their main run is going to be to get to 222.60, and then boom, they're gonna boom that thing to 225.90 before they start having their eyes set on 230. So if you are a bear, what you want to see, you want to see 217.50 get taken out. They can take out that. I have a level at 215.85. They break through that right there. You ready to come all the way back down to this shelf level in here, 213.63. Ultimately, they're going to try to push this thing back to 209.60 before we start trying to make that trip back down into this stuff here. Again, once we get down to all that silliness, you know, we'll handle in real time. I'll update the levels once we get there. Last but not least, we're going to end this bad boy with the SPY. If you see, guys, look what SPY did. I was watching SPY and I kept watching it go down and down. It went up, then came back down, and then it just kept going down. And I was looking at this play and I was like, man, this play looks crazy. And so I threw something out in the chat. If you guys paying attention and following me, you see what I threw out there in the chat. I threw this picture out there. I said, guys, look. And this play was called at when we were sitting at 551.64. I said, man, I'm not a big fan in drawing diagrams and all that good stuff right there, but it looks like SPY is trying to take off on us. It looks like Wall Street is trying to play their games and they're trying to pop this thing. And guys, you know, I don't never draw anything like this. I ain't no fan of that, but this was too obvious. You see the W, you see the marks on there where we going down, we going up, and you see at the very bottom where we sitting 549. I figured we would come there, but I see if you look to the left, it's a level down there at 549.50. I actually threw that out there as well. I gave the levels. I said, if you're looking for the downside in SPY, here's your down targets. Level to get there is 550.85, 550.40, 550, 549.50, 549. Expect bulls to explode. And I was going to buy calls there. You know, at my first idea, I was going to buy calls at 549.50. And I knew they were going to explode, but I want to get the best price. I was looking at the options chain list and I was debating on which one that I was going to go with. I was going to try to buy about 50 low risk plays and boom that thing. I wish I would have did it because it doubled after that. But, you know, I was trying to get the best price. Hey, it didn't ever come to 549. It came to my next level at 549.50, and they did exactly what I said they were going to do. They were going to boom it. But my patience is everything. I'm probably the best in the game when it's sitting back just waiting on the play reveal itself. I ain't jumping unless I have to, unless I see it come to my level. And if it don't come to my level, and guys, this is something that you guys got to get better with. If it don't come to your level, what are we doing? Tell you what we doing. We stand on the sidelines. We doing nothing, because this is how you give your money away. So I was cool. I sat back and watched the ride up, and I'm watching the futures market tonight, and they're booming on up. So, you know, you can't win them all. You can't get in all the plays, and I'm fine with not being in all the plays. We'll get them in the morning. There'll be always other opportunities. Again, if you are a bull in this play, we're sitting at 550.83. They're probably a lot higher than that right now because the futures market is going crazy right now. If it holds, they're going to be way higher than this, but you want to see 552 get taken out if you are a bull. You want to see them open over 552, and then you want to see 553.10 taken out. They can break through that. You got 554.35, and then boom, 555.05. If you are a bear, you want to see this level at 549.50 get taken out. Ultimately, 549 taken out. They can take out that right there. Bears can't hold that right there. We coming all the way back down to 554.65. It's going to be a falling knife type of deal. So don't say you weren't warned, you didn't hear about it. Don't say you was in cause and got trapped, because D-Fresh out here giving you these levels to respect. That way you know not to get trapped up in any of this stuff. But guys, another tip. If you see this booming all the way up to these numbers up here and we get smacked and we start headed back down here to this area where we couldn't finish off the deal at 49.50 and we start coming to this stuff, load up on your puts, because they gonna smash through there and you're gonna make a whole lot of money. So that's a tip that your boy throwing out there for you. There you go. There you have it. All right, guys, I'm not going to take much more of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.